there. Was it enough to knock the billet binder off that top spot? Take a look at the replay. Starts out kind of in the middle. We're going to take a look at that replay. He stayed in bounds. Never did get the red flag until the end of his run, but I believe it was pulling him pretty hard to the right. And he had 312 feet, 0.57, 312.
He's got the front end on the wheelie bars way too soon. 157.85, 157.85 for Chauffeur on the beat bear track.
Yeah, guys, big farming operation up there in Brown County, up in...
We'll need everyone to come down to, right down the trackside, right down in front of the announcer stand. See Dan? Here we go, the real deer, Justin Wagler, Morgantown, Indiana. Well, the boost he had built there at the end, boy, you seen him back out of it. And this track is working these pro stocks. These guys here, I don't know if they're quite ready for what it's taking here tonight. You see them really working them. Charger.
Yeah, that real deer tractor, boy, they've been working on that the last couple of weeks in the shop there. Some late nights, and good to see him make a good run here this afternoon.
327.9. That's pretty good to donate half that $4,300 back to the FFA. I'd have probably flipped him, a couple $300 and thought I was really generous,
Oh, you cheapskate. Come on.
Oh, Johnson says I'm tired of bark on a tree, yeah.
Tighter than bark on a tree.
Clean our pallets of beer yet. Have we heard anything on that?
Yeah, once again, if you do have one of those winning tickets, we need you down to the starting line over on the ballpark side. It's the real Deere Pro on the start line. Nice finish last night in the number 3 spot. Oh, tough break there, fans, for Justin Wagler, the real Deere Pro.
What do you make of that, John? You're a decent pro stock expert here. I think he got hit so hard by the box, I think his hand slipped off the throttle. Oh.